I am so looking forward to seeing you in just a couple of days. And I wanted to record this super quick video for you because it's so important to me that you get the absolute most out of our time together. So a few things, just with housekeeping, of course, try and make sure you're in a space that's free of distraction, even if that means popping a little sign up on your study door or your bedroom door that says do not disturb for 1 hour. And make sure that you've got your Wi-Fi set up and all of those sorts of things. You've got your journal or a pen or something like that to take some notes. The other thing too is I have made you like this really cool fillable workbook. So on the day, you'll be able to just type everything you like into that fillable workbook. I know, it's so much fun, right? Now, you don't have to do it that way. If you want, you can just download it to your Remarkable and you can just write straight into the boxes and everything. You know how to do that. Or you can just print it off and just write like that, no problem. But you've got a few options there to play with because I wanted to make sure that this felt really easy. The other thing I'd suggest is maybe make a folder for yourself in Dropbox or Google Drive and keep everything from our workshop in it so that it's really easy to find, because you're going to love this so much that you'll want to repeat this process next year when you have to make some content. And yeah, you could just come straight back to it and you'll have everything you need right there. Okay, all in one place. The next thing is make sure if you're somebody who needs some inspiration, you do bring along, if you use oracle cards or tarot cards or affirmation cards or your crystals or other tools that you use to connect with your inner guidance or energy or whatever it is, because there'll be parts of our work together where I don't want you to feel like you're stuck and you're in your head. I want you to be able to support yourself by dropping out of your head down into your heart so that we can see things more clearly together, because that's where all the gold is, obviously. So whatever way is easiest for you to do that, be prepared. Okay, so have those tools or objects or processes at hand in case you want to draw upon them during our time together, right? Okay, what else? We're going to be starting on the dot at 10 a.m. If you're a bit late, that's fine. You'll still be admitted into the room. That's okay. The session is being recorded. When you come into the session, please do not turn on your video. Do not turn on your microphone. The reason for that is because I want to just make sure that we can get through all of the content together, and we can't do that if we've got people's microphones going and videos going and things like that. I will leave time at the end for anybody who wants to stay back a little bit and maybe work through some things or have questions, and I can absolutely pull people onto camera or not, or onto the microphones, and we can have some conversations then. But right when you first come in, please, all videos and microphones off, okay? And then I also thought that it could be super helpful for those of you who struggle with mindset around visibility to work through some of that before Saturday. The reason this is really, really important is because, there's no point having a process that you're not going to implement. That wouldn't be a result for you, and it's certainly not a result for me. Okay, I measure my success in part by the results that you get. So to support you in getting those results, if you have any blocks around what if I get judged, what if no one likes me, what if no one engages, what if there's a troll or all those things that all of us think from time to time, if there's something like that that could block you or get in the way of you implementing this, I want you to download, I've included it as a bonus for you. I want you to download the limiting beliefs worksheet and just allow yourself some space between now and Saturday to work through that as many times as you need to, so that you can bust through those limiting beliefs and get yourself in a really great space for our work on Saturday. Now, if you try that and you still feel a little bit stuck, that's okay. I will help you. I will stay back after the call and help anybody with a limiting belief around their marketing, around their visibility, to break through it, because I want you to get amazing results from our work together on Saturday. I know, it's so much fun, isn't it? I can't wait to see you. If you have any questions, of course, please don't hesitate to let me know. You can shoot me a quick email, connect with me on Messenger, on Instagram, whatever's easiest for you. And I'll look forward to seeing you then. I can't wait. Bye, everybody.